In this exercise, we will learn the Magic Wand tool. Basically, the Magic Wand tool is a useful tool to select simple and similar color areas in the image, but it is not perfect for complex selection. Okay, let's see how this tool works. When I right-click on the Quick Selection tool, we can find the Magic Wand tool underneath the Quick Selection tool, and W is the shortcut key. We can switch these tools by pressing Shift and W on the keyboard. Okay, now I have selected this tool. If I click on the white background of the image, only the white area of the image is selected. You can also notice that there is a shadow area that is not selected along with the coffee cup because it is different or not similar to the white color. Okay, if I click inside of the coffee, something like that, we are only able to select similar colors in a specific range. My opinion is that that is not a very useful tool, but for simple color, it is the best. Okay, let's deselect the image by pressing Ctrl and D. Now let's talk about the control option panel above. We are already familiar with these options now. Okay, let's see how quickly this will work. If I click on a new selection and click here, I have made a selection. If I click on and add to selection and click, 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 we can see a selection is adding when we click. Okay, next we have subtract a selection option. And if I click and click here, we can see it is subtracting the area where I am clicking. Okay, next we have intersect selection option. And you can see it is intersecting the area where I click. Okay, let's deselect that. Next, we have sample size control option. And we have point sample. 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 11 by 11 average, 101 by 101 average. Okay, if I click on point sample and click here, we can see we are selecting the point where I click. It is basically a range of selection. For example, if I use 100 by 101 average and make a selection, something like that, we can see we are selecting a big area. Okay, deselect it. Okay, next we have tolerance option. The tolerance option is about increasing and decreasing the area of selection. If I increase the tolerance, something like that, and select any area, I have selected a big area in one click. Okay, make it sample point and decrease the tolerance. Okay, next we have anti-alias option. Let's check this on. Okay, next we have contiguous option. If I check on and click on the image, let's zoom in to see a better view. If I click on something like there, the area now selected is contiguous. If I check this mark off and then click, we can see it is now selecting the area that is similar to that color. Actually, tolerance is about how much area we want to select, and the contiguous option is about similar color selection. Great. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the crop tool.